Okay, onto all your various fittings and glues. It's time to glue the pipe together. Now, a lot of people will quibble with that and they'll say it's actually called solvent weld, not gluing the pipes together. So it's called cement, PVC cement. Now, the proper term, I guess, is solvent weld. It actually chemically bonds the plastic PVC together. It will always be a two-step process. You always have a primer and a PVC cement or multi-purpose cement, depending if you have CPVC or ABS. But always a two-step, a number one primer and a number two cement. Don't skip out on that. You do need the primer. You do not have to buy the purple primer in most jurisdictions. You don't have to worry about code if you're just doing a repair. Okay, here we're putting a repair coupler on this pipe so I can extend it. Always start with your primer. A lot of professionals actually will tape the two bottles together so they're just literally always together and side by side. Take out the sponge chemically here, wipe, apply the primer on the fitting, on the pipe. That can dry for 10 seconds or so. It's quite quick. And now onto the good stuff, the PVC cement. Now you do have to work fast with this once you apply. On this one, just do one side of your fitting, do all the way around the pipe pretty liberally, and you're going to shove it on, give it a little bit of a twist. There we go. And then hold it in. These fittings are flared a little bit, so if you release immediately, they will tend to push out and you'll lose your progress. So go ahead and continue to hold it in for 10 seconds, usually is good. I think the manufacturer label says up to 30 seconds. Look how strong the primer is. When you put it on the PVC pipe, it literally rubs away the ink from the manufacturer, and it, I think, chemically softens the PVC, make it ready to accept the bond. Okay, I got lucky on this repair. I do have room to slide the pipes together. Sometimes you have to be really strategic on your PVC pipe repair or replacement. Here's the primer I'm applying. What I mean by that is if you don't have access to move the pipes apart, you just have to be a little bit strategic about how you're going to shove them together. Okay, the primer is quick. Give it 10 seconds to air dry. The cement, glue, solvent weld, whatever you want to call it, that's the one that you do have to move with some haste. Once you get that on there, you do want the pipes together pretty quickly. And remember to hold it together. Hold it together for 10 to 30 seconds to make sure it's dry. These glued PVC pipes hold together stronger than the native pipe. It's that strong. Another quick rapid repair you did yourself with an old rusted saw and or maybe a ratchet. Oakley is a very trusted brand for the PVC glues. They've been around for like 100 years. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments.